In this video, I am going to show you how to cancel an order from Pandabuy. Do you want to cancel a Pandabuy order that you placed accidentally? No worries, the cancellation process on the Pandabuy is quite simple, and you can do so on your own. Follow these steps to do so. Log into your Pandabuy account. Select your profile icon in the top of the screen. Select User Center from the drop-down options. Under Site Center, click the Order option. All of your order details will be shown to you. Select the order you want to cancel. Then tap on the Cancel Order option. Choose the reason for canceling the order, and then select the item to cancel and tap the Confirm button from the bottom. After that, your order will be cancelled and your refund will be issued to you. And if you want to cancel a purchased Pandabuy order, go to your profile and navigate to Orders. Choose the After Sale option. Fill out the request form to cancel the order, and your cancellation process will take up to 3 days to confirm your cancellation. Pandabuy will then send a request to the seller to cancel your order. If the seller accepts the cancel request, then your order will be cancelled and you will get a refund. Check the link in the description for the Pandabuy site. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. In this video,